They say that some people sometimes complain and say you should not ask Allah Azza wa Jal for detailed things. You should only use dua of the Quran, especially in your prayer. And this is bogus. This is totally not true. Yes, the highest level of things that you can make dua in the salat is the prescribed dua, whether it's from the Quran or from the Sunnah. But if I want to ask a specific question or a request, oh Allah, my car's engine broke down, oh Allah, make it easy to fix, and find someone who is honest and cheap, who would do a good job with the least cost on me. What's wrong in that? There's nothing wrong at all. And you can ask Allah for specific things without transgressing. So you cannot ask Allah, oh Allah, make me a person who does not need to sleep, or does not need to eat or drink, or make me able to fly. All of this is transgression, and it's haram and not permissible.